Welcome to Kalbi Liangpo channel. So this is tutorial English to Kalbi translation. So let's learn begin. English to Kalbi. Shut the door. Inghap ingkirtha. Open the door. Inghap ingpunon. Don't write on the wall. Arpong along toktap igri. Brush your teeth. Nang lisu cingti ignon. Wash your face. Nang limahang cingmur ignon. Raise your hand. Nang liri cirung iktha. Don't spit here. Ladak thau igri. Don't throw here. Ladak pedat igderi. Come out. Hong wang ignon. Stay safe. Dome thakme. Keep eating. Chu ignon. I don't know. Neli chini ige. I know. Neli chini. What's wrong? Kechok che kopi igla. What happened? Kopi chong hoi igla. Nothing else. Thang ta chong ho ige. Who said? Komat iglo kiningje. When did you come? Nang li komentu si kebang iglo. Your tea is getting cold. Nang li saing sam igedlo. What is his name? Alang limen kopi iglo. His name is Longkoi. Alang limen ke Longkoi.